So let's go to Kitzur. So today, we're finishing this this chapter, Siman number 3, laws of putting garments in the proper bearing. Okay. So see if number 6. It says it is forbidden to walk 4 amos or to recite the word of holiness with uncovered head. Okay, so basically as soon as you wake up, or some people sleep in a kippah, but usually it falls off anyway. Okay, so as soon as you get up, just put on your kippah. Yeah, so let's see, there are a few commentaries. 4 amos, we said it's 6.3 and 7.6. Let's say 8 feet to make like to round up. 8 feet. With, so you cannot walk without this kippah. Or to recite the words of holiness. 18. The blessing or the words of learning. Okay.
So what happens if okay, so sometimes people wake up in the middle of the night and they got to use the bathroom and they're groggy and maybe they just forget for that moment and they've already walked to the bathroom and they forgot. Like, can they put something else on their head to cover it?
Yeah. So basically, you can put anything on your head to cover. You can put a towel. You have this small towel, whatever you put.
Right.
Doesn't matter. Okay. The only thing is not considered to be covering is your own flesh. So you cannot put your own hand, unless it is in a long sleeve. So if you have a long sleeve shirt and you put this short, so it's like you covered with a short, not that you put your hand on it.
Okay.
Right, but other hand is actually a covering. So if your friend put a hand, bare hand on your head, so it's considered for your covering.
Okay.
But yours not. Okay.
Okay,
so 19, what was 19? With uncovered head. Nowadays it is forbidden for a male to even sit or stand in a place without head covering. So forget about learning Torah, it's needless to say, but even sit or stand without head covering. An extra measure of piety, one should take care not even sleep bareheaded. Mishnah Brura. So of course, it's going to fall off. There is, nobody disputes that. But at least you try to do your part, right?
Right.
Okay. One should also accustom children to cover their heads, so that they should have the fear of heaven upon them. So of course they when they were 1 or 2 year old, of course they're not going to keep this kippah, but after that, after 3 years old, they should wear kippah. As we find related in a Gemara about Rav Nachman bar Yitzchak. When Rav Nachman bar Yitzchak was young, his mother was told by astrologers, "Your son will be a thief." From that time on, she never allowed him to uncover his head. She told him, "Cover your head, so that the fear of heaven should be upon you." It's from so it's from Shabbat 156. And you know that he grew up a huge scholar, Nachman bar Yitzchak.
Right.
Okay, so it's from the beginning.